Imagine, if you will, a world of absolute stillness. A world painted in shades of green and brown, where the air hangs heavy with humidity, and the buzzing of insects is the only constant. Here, on the dappled forest floor, a creature exists that is both muscle and shadow. It is a reticulated python, and it is waiting. For a week, it has laid coiled in this spot, a living spring of potential energy. Its tongue, a black fork of lightning, flickers out, tasting the air. It's not smelling, not as we do. It is collecting microscopic particles. The scent of a civet cat, the lingering musk of a wild pig, the warmth of a nearby body. Its brain is a silent computer, processing these data points, waiting for the signal. Then it comes, a vibration, a rhythmic thumping through the ground, felt by its belly scales. The signal is clear. Prey is approaching. The prey is a deer, a young sambar, curious and separated from its herd. It steps into a shaft of sunlight, completely unaware that it is being mapped with terrifying precision. The python's head, perfectly camouflaged, moves almost imperceptibly, tracking the deer's every movement. It's calculating distance, speed, and trajectory. The deer takes one final fatal step. In a fraction of a second, the python launches. Its jaws open wide, spreading apart at the hinges, and sink needle-sharp, backward-curving teeth into the deer's leg. In the same fluid motion, its body explodes from its coil. It's not a squeeze. It's a python's version of a tackle. 1, 2, 3 loops of solid muscle wrap around the deer's chest, pinning its legs to its sides. The snake is a master of efficiency. With every frantic heartbeat of the deer, the snake tightens its grip, but it's not a constant pressure. It's responsive. Each time the deer exhales, the snake's muscles contract a little more. It's a relentless, suffocating embrace. The deer tries to inhale, to fill its lungs, but the coils are locked tight, preventing the chest wall from expanding. This is the true mechanism of constriction, not crushing, but suffocation. The deer's struggle becomes weaker. Its blood, unable to circulate properly, begins to pool with waste products. Its heart, starved of oxygen, begins to fibrillate, beating erratically. Finally, in a matter of minutes, it stops. The deer is gone. But for the snake, the most dangerous part of the hunt has just begun. The python releases its hold. It lies still for a moment, a mountain of muscle catching its breath. Then it begins the ritual. Its tongue flickers out, locating the head of its prey. This is crucial. It must swallow the deer headfirst. Swallowing headfirst allows the deer's legs and antlers to fold back, streamlining the body. It's like putting a sweater on. The limbs offer the least resistance when they point backwards, traveling down the throat like a zipper closing. The python's mouth descends over the deer's snout. And now we enter a realm of pure biological wonder. Snakes don't unhinge their jaws, but the lower jaw is in 2 separate halves, connected at the chin by a stretchy, elastic ligament. The quadrant bones at the back of the skull act like extra hinges, allowing the mouth to open both wide and high. As the snake's head engulfs the deer, its skin begins to stretch, a process so extreme you can see light through the membrane between scales. The muscles in its throat are not simple. They are a wave of locomotion, a peristaltic wave, just like in our own intestines. This wave grips the deer, and inch by painstaking inch pulls it deeper. The snake's forked tongue is safely tucked away in a sheath. Its windpipe or trachea has pushed forward and out of the mouth, poking out like a fleshy snorkel. This allows the snake to breathe the entire time it's swallowing, a process that can take hours. For the deer, now encased in this living sarcophagus, the journey has begun. It passes the gullet and enters the stomach. The snake's stomach has been dormant, but as the deer's body triggers stretch receptors, a flood of hormonal signals is released. Within minutes, the snake's metabolism explodes into a furnace. Its heart rate doubles, then triples. Its cells work at a furious pace to produce a cascade of stomach acid and enzymes, so powerful they could dissolve a steel nail. Inside the stomach, the breakdown begins. The potent acids go to work on the soft tissues first. The deer's skin and muscles begin to liquefy. The bones, however, present a problem. The snake can't chew them, so it dissolves them. The acid leaches the calcium from the bones. The snake's body is a complete recycling unit. Nothing is wasted. Every molecule of protein, fat, and calcium is stripped from it. For a week, the snake will lie in a state of semi-torpor. It is incredibly vulnerable during this time, too heavy to escape from predators. Slowly, a massive bulge in its body will shrink. The liquefied nutrients are absorbed through the stomach lining and into the bloodstream. Finally, after 14 days, the process is complete. The deer is gone, its matter now rearranged into the scales and life force of the python. The only evidence of the feast is a single compact scad of fur and claws. The python, its energy stores replenished, slowly moves on. It will find a new place to coil and wait. For in this ancient, patient predator, the cycle of life is a physical reality, and the forest returns to its stillness until the next vibration, the next strike, the next silent, incredible journey begins.